This is Gary Parker's number 2 airplane, Newport 28. Hat in the ring, squadron. Gary's got the Laser V200 twin in here. We're waiting for the guys to show up for static. We'll take you for a tour of some of the models in the shop. Here's Dick Heining's Eindecker 3, the new Proctor kit. Seidel 7-cylinder radial engine. Hopefully going to fly that in team scale this weekend. And we got the fuselage to the new, hope to be, Proctor Fokker D7. Next kit out, 1/4 scale. Laser V engine in it. Wings aren't done yet. Working on the 1.5 strutter for the Lucas Film Company.
Joe Topper.
Joe, when are we going to fire this thing up and see if the smoke system works?
About a half an hour.
This will be seen hopefully in the Indiana Jones, Young Indiana Jones Chronicles 3 on TV in another year or so. Right, Joe?
Yes, sir.
And we got a Super Tiger 3000 in there, right?
Yeah, Super Tiger 3000.
Scratch built by Joe Topper. The Fokker DR1 acquired from Mike Brewer in Astoria for the Young Indiana Jones Chronicles. And then we have the Newport 11 that we've converted to a Newport 17 for the Lucas films. These 2 airplanes are all ready to go. Randy Hansen from Astoria built this airplane. Here's the 1/4 scale Sopwith 1.5 strutter, ready for an engine run to check the smoke system. Of course, the engine has never run yet, has it, guys?
Oh, it's been broke in.
Okay.
Now let me move my plate.
This is the 1.5 strutter for Lucasfilms. Okay, we got the builder and the mechanic there, Jerry Turntine and Joe Topper. They're going to start this thing up and see if it works. Here's the lovely Josiani doing all registration. How many you got so far, Josie?
10.
Look up in those sunglasses there, those
10.
movie actor sunglasses. 10 so far, and it's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah, well, we didn't even start till 12:30.
Hey, great. Okay, we've got Ken Solomon here getting his F4U Corsair staticked by Ed Paulson. We're looking for big things out of you, Ken.
Keep my fingers crossed.
Now, Ed's doing what? Is he doing the outline or what? What are you doing, Ed?
I don't know, I'm just sitting here writing. Finish, color, and mark.
Static judge. And we've got Gary Parker from Santa Rosa, California with his Newport 28 being judged by Vance Mosher. Must be doing outline, right, Vance?
Yes.
Vance is from Vanguard Aviation, Vancouver, Washington.
And Gary Parker's Curtis Jenny being judged by Gary Parker, or Gary Werner, excuse me. Gary Werner doing the judging here for craftsmanship. There's Dick Heining's Eindecker 3 on the judging lineup. And we got Orville Brooks' Fleet biplane being readied for static. Sato 300 twin.
Got that done like 1 day ago, would you believe?
This is Ken Solomon's Corsair from a Top Flight kit. What engine do you have, Ken?
That's an OS-61.
OS-61. Look at that propeller. Beautiful. Exchange pilot with the Navy, in the Air Force. Driver. Well, we got a few airplanes judged, static judged. That 1.5 strutter is just for display. That's not in the contest. And that's about 2 o'clock Friday afternoon. This Jenny's from Santa Rosa, California. Well, we talked old Johnny Nepper into bringing out his Blériot. OS 70 powered. Yet to be flown. She's a beauty. This was the airplane that crossed the English Channel the very first time it was crossed by air. When are we going to fly it, Johnny?
Well, I'm going to leave it here while I'm on my vacation.
Well, Johnny, it's a beauty. How long did it take you to build it?
2 years.
2 years, huh?
With a lot of help.
John Nepper from Southwest Portland. Spent half his life working for old Jimmy Walker, right?
Oh, yeah, not that many years, but about 20. Anyway.
It's a great airplane, Johnny. You got to be proud of it.
I'm 80 now, so got a few more years to go.
Hey, at least 30, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we got the Newport 17 out now. This plane is for Lucasfilms, Young Indiana Jones Chronicles, coming up in a year or so on TV. The 1.5 strutter, that's Lucasfilms aircraft also. Added some more airplanes. This Albatross is ex Mike Brewer from Astoria. It's a Lucasfilm aircraft also. And the DR-1 here is also ex-Mike Brewer from Astoria, a Lucasfilm aircraft. And of course then Johnny Nepper's Blériot, which we just saw. In front of you.
It's Friday afternoon. We're out of Glen Hart's Air Park for a test flight. Gary Parker, Santa Rosa, California.
This is Gary Parker from California with his Newport 28 for a test flight. It's Friday afternoon. Okay, Gary's going to do a 10-foot flyby. So he's really whistling. He's going to do a loop for us. We're up, 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 and over. Gary's got a laser V200 in this aircraft. Okay, Gary's coming in for his landing on his test flight. He's down. That was a great flight.
Thanks, Dick.
You do a masterful job.
Len Ledson flying Gary Parker's Jenny in team scale for a test flight.
Len Ledson flying Gary Parker's Curtis Jenny. Len will be flying this in team scale. This is the Kermit Weeks Jenny. You're going to try a spin with the old Jenny here. No, a good spiral, a good spiral. Okay, Len's coming in for his landing. That's good, that's perfect. Beautiful. And I bet he's going to taxi back. Well, it's Saturday morning, about 10 o'clock. Just getting started. Had about 4 or 5 flights already. Beautiful day here in the Northwest. This is the second annual Evergreen Scale Rally, Lenhart's Air Park, Hubbard, Oregon. Sponsored by Pacer Technologies, Airtronics, Proctor Enterprises. Well, we got Larry Sutherland with his BT-13. All right, Larry?
Right. Glad to be here in sunny Oregon.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, it's wonderful.
Yeah, we're expecting big things out of you. Gary Parker for his first flight Saturday morning. Wing over for Larry Sutherland.
And back on heading.
Larry is down.